Want to fix an iPhone that won't turn on, charge, or is stuck on black screen? In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix that. First, plug in your iPhone with the charger and leave it on the table for at least 30 minutes, even if nothing shows on the screen. After that, unplug the charger, then press and hold the power button and volume up button together for at least 10 seconds. If the Apple logo appears, release the buttons and your phone should boot up normally. If that doesn't work, try the forced restart method. Quickly press and release volume up, then quickly press and release volume down, and finally press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Once it appears, release the button and your iPhone should turn back on. Remember, this issue often happens if you use non-Apple or uncertified charging accessories, which can crash the iPhone system. Always stick to original or certified charger to avoid future problems. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.